Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm recording this because I just wanted to let you know I created SpongeBob. I made this lovely creature in this thing, this 3D something. I made SpongeBob's head. Do you like it? It took like, I don't know, 10 minutes or something, maybe 20. I don't really know, but I like it. I think it's a lovely masterpiece. I'm gonna save it and everything because it's so beautiful. Just look into his eyes. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Tell me how you think about this lovely SpongeBob creation, and bye-bye. And good night, because it's like 11 o'clock, or it's almost 12, but bye-bye.